What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back on the Turbo Civic, D-Series Turbo Civic that we just got done turboing. In the last video we rebuilt, well, we replaced two of the main shaft bearings on the transmission because the transmission was literally louder than the exhaust. So now we are buttoning everything back up. We got to fill the transmission. Fun fact for you, apparently the manual transmission fluid from Honda is not what you want to run in these cars. So don't waste your money on that. From what I'm seeing, those changed. The ingredients, the formulation of those changed when the K-Series came out, and that's like water. And apparently it's not good for the D-Series transmission. So what are we running? Conventional 10W30 oil. Make sure it's conventional, not synthetic. And apparently that's what everybody's running in these. So we're gonna fill it with that. Hopefully we do not have any leaks from where we sealed up the transmission. I used red RTV, and I don't know, I've just had bad luck with the real buggy. The case is sealed like that and it kind of leaks. Anyway, we're gonna do that. We gotta put our downpipe back on, we gotta put our intercooler piping back on, and we got something cosmetic for the bumper here. I know it's super bright, but we got a front lip from Amazon for the front bumper. So we're going to be installing that as well towards the end. So let's go ahead and fill the transmission first. So what you want to do there is there's a fill hole in the side, right there, right there. So we're gonna fill that till it starts coming back out. And a while back I bought a funnel like that to fill it with. So let's go ahead, get that out of the way, make sure the transmission does not leak, and then we'll move on. There's a calm before the storm. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put our custom downpipe on. So I fabbed this up, I tacked it up, cut all the pieces. I bought a kit off of Amazon, just a stainless tubing kit, and it came with like bends and straights and 45s, 90s. I bought a flex pipe, and I bought the flanges and custom fit this up. I tacked it, and I had my buddy Landon TIG weld it. So I think this is one of the coolest parts of the whole build, just because it's like, it's got all these bends in it, you know, and I fit it all up myself, and it bolts to a factory location here, and I think it looks cool. So anyway, let's go ahead and throw this in. We got a new gasket for our turbo, so let's not forget that. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi, this is Daniel from Final Expense Department. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Wonderful. This call is about final expense. Final expense is end-of-life financial planning, which covers burial, funeral, and cremation expenses. Just for qualifying purpose, may I know how old are you? What's your age?
Well, I just turned 27, so I'm not sure why I'm in this call. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our first start since the transmission upgrade. Or not upgrade, but rebuild. First, let's put the battery on. Never mind, let's put it on the charger and work on the bumper. Okay guys, so I'm not sure how well this lip is gonna fit. One, because this is not a stock bumper and it don't really fit the car super great. And two, there's all kinds of different versions, so I'm not 100% sure if this is the right version. Another thing is it only came with 4 self-tappers, so eventually I'm gonna need to get more of those, but let's go ahead and try to fit this thing up. So with this one, I think it goes around the front there, just like that. And then I'm pretty sure the sides mount up around like this. I kind of got a big gap. I'm just going to get the front centered, put a couple in there, then go to the sides. I got a feeling that actually doesn't fit super well. Well, I actually don't think it looks bad. I think it looks pretty good. We'll look at it when it's on the car. thing sounds perfect. It was so loud before, the transmission was, that I really couldn't hear anything. Now you can actually hear the turbo. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Hold on, I need to downshift to get a good pull. You might have heard the flutter a little bit, but anyway, it sounds so smooth. It's riding so smooth. So fingers crossed, everything is good. Alright guys, so the front lip came out a lot better than I thought. You can see the seam right there. There's no space, and it fits up great. So I will link this below if you guys want to take a look at it. On Amazon. If you click on my link, I get a little bit of credit for it through Amazon, so help me out there. I just drove the car for a little bit, drove it to the gas station and back, probably I don't know, 15-20 minute drive. I don't know.
I only play in hardcore mode when protecting the Black Soul Stone, so wouldn't really call it super fun as much as it is the most intense thing of all time. I don't know.
And it did amazing. Felt so smooth, so quiet. I'm feeling real good about it. So now we're going to quickly spray it down. If you want to grab this very convenient pressure washer and soap cannon from Amazon, I'll also link it down below, as well as the Chemical Guys pink soap that I use. So anyway, enjoy me washing it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.